This is version 2 of the investigation, germinating seeds at different temperatures and how to draw up a table. So on this side here we can see that I have my independent variable, that was the temperature that I was germinating the seeds at, and I've repeated my investigation 3 times. You can see that my temperatures here are all out of order, so what I need to do is put those into order in my table and to do some really good columns, column titles, and then an overall title across the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is, with the independent variable, that's what I changed in my investigation, I am going to be drawing them onto the left hand side of the table, and that is the temperature at which the seeds germinated. And I always put in units there, degrees Celsius, and I have got 0, 10, 20 and 30 degrees. The next thing that I do on the other side next to that results is I put the trials in. Now I like to divide my trials row into a title for it and then the trials underneath. In these columns as well I'm going to be having an averages column. Hopefully I've got the numbers right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can see here that I don't need this column. I'd get out my eraser and I'd rub it out. That's one of the reasons why we do tables in pencil. Going right around the edges here, making it nice and neatly done. Alright, so the trials here, this is showing the number of seeds. I'm doing some shorthand, number of seeds that germinated. Because that's a rate I need to give a unit, so in 7 days. I have got trial 1, trial 2, trial 3 for each of these 3 columns, and I'm going to be averaging those out. So at 0, nice and easy there to work out the average, 0. At 10 degrees, making sure I'm writing in the right one, 3 germinated, 2 germinated, and only 1 of the 10 germinated in 7 days, so the average there would be 2. At 20 degrees I had 10, 8 and 9, and the average here is 9, and then at 30 degrees I had 5 germinate, 6 germinate and 4 germinate, so the average there is 5. You can check that on your calculator if you need to. The way we work out the averages is we add up across and then we divide by the number of trials that we did. This column here is not needed, so I just completely take that out later with my eraser. Last thing that I need to put on a good table is a suitable title, and that title has to represent my independent variable here and my dependent variable across the top, which is basically the results that I found. So for this one I would say table showing the number of seeds that germinated in 7 days at temperatures from 0 to 30 degrees Celsius. So hopefully you can see there how to draw a nice table.